others, inadvertently, we reject ourselves. Now, I heard that you didn't want to settle. And I'm not telling you to settle. I would never tell you to settle. Because you don't work too hard to get to where you are. Mm-hmm. But I will tell you to have some humility. Mm-hmm. So sometimes we gotta, take accountability, look ourselves in the mirror, reflect, and humble ourselves. Because I know that you think that your standards are high. Now, I'm gonna argue that sometimes that they ain't, but whatever. Listen, because see, this is what I've been seeing. I noticed that you compromise and adjust your standards for the man that you want. Mm-hmm. See, you violate your own standards, your own boundaries, and non-negotiables when you like a man, and you settle. And as a few months go by, everything's going good, and then we start to get into the weeds a little bit, and Johnny, he's not meeting your standards fast enough. He just ain't doing enough for you. And so then you begin to try to control Johnny. You start telling Johnny what he need to do. You start disrespecting him. Mm-hmm. You try to change who he is when Johnny been the same man from day one. He didn't have the capacity. But again, that's where the standards and the boundaries and the self-discipline comes into play, because they're there to protect you. Mm-hmm. So now you arguing with Johnny, you trying to prove your worth, and you begin operating out of a place of fear rather than love. Because let me tell you the difference between love and fear. Love accepts people as they are. They don't try to change them. Love doesn't change people. Fear tries to control the outcome. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to tell you what's happening. You probably have felt unseen, unheard, unloved in your childhood. Mm-hmm. And now you're trying to manage your fear of rejection and abandonment. You fear not being chosen. And so now you try to control every man that walks your path because you don't want him to leave you. But I'm going to tell you, he's going to leave you anyway. He's going to leave you anyway. If you don't learn how to love, if you don't know how